In this episode, part 10 of building the Queenscliffe HUB, landscaping begins in Field Park and Governor LaTrobe and the old gas lamp have to move to make way for the new entry to the building. The old Queenscliffe street lamp was no trouble to move, but there was lots of head scratching and discussion about how best to extract Governor Charles LaTrobe from his solid base. After some exploratory digging, he was wrapped in a protective foam shroud and a jackhammer was used to remove the base, and he was placed gently to repose against a heap of sand to await his reinstallation. Flashing and fixing for the feature glass façade are being installed. Preparation for pouring the suspended concrete slab for the courtyard is almost complete. Formwork and steel reinforcing is in place and the flashing and drainage system is being installed. Around the back of the building, the cladding is being attached to the walls and it is making this part of the hub look more finished. Unfortunately, one of the large glass windows in the auditorium shattered when it was being installed and the glaziers are waiting for a replacement. Inside the library, the battens are in place ready for the installation of the ceiling. Cupboards have been delivered and some have even been installed in the staff room and in the museum collection studio. Painting has been completed in the basement and the lift and other equipment is awaiting installation in the coming weeks. Up in the museum and visitor information centre, there is still some air ducting to be completed. Walls are being plastered and preparations are underway for installing the ceiling in the museum's exhibition space. A laser level projects a fine red line to ensure the ceiling is exactly where it should be. This is the third of 3 ceilings and sound insulation to ensure the building remains quiet even during the heaviest of hailstorms. In the coming weeks, the glass front wall will be installed. The concrete for the courtyard and the entrance will be poured, and the plastering in the Visitor Information Centre, the museum and the auditorium will be completed. Don't miss the next Building the Queenscliffe HUB video towards the end of April. Subscribe to the Queenscliffe Historical Museum's YouTube channel and make sure you click the bell symbol so that you are notified when a new video is posted. Thank you for watching.